Your finances is one of those easy measures of how you're doing. It's easy to see if you are continually building your savings, growing your wealth, and securing your future, or if you are constantly overdrawn and becoming bankrupt from overindulgences and poor decisions and practices. Just as you can look at your bank account and get a good measure of your financial health, you can also take a good look in the mirror and get a good measure of your physical health. If you look at your physical health, you get a reflection of what is going on in your head. Your mindset, your philosophy, and your attitude are most often the forces behind your current state of physical health. Your philosophy and mindset are also what produce the health of your finances, your relationships, and your business. Think about this. Why do 95% of people who go on a diet end up gaining all the weight back? Here's why. They thought their weight was the problem. They thought if they lost the weight, the problem would be gone. Not so. After all, the weight itself was never the problem. Their attitudes, their philosophy, and feelings about themselves were the problems. The weight was simply a symptom or an outcome of their philosophy. Here's the key to your health, your physical health, as well as the health of your relationships, business, and finances. You will only ever have the health that matches your level of self, meaning your self-image and self-worth. Remember that. So what's the solution? Go to work on you, not your weight, not your relationships, or your finances. Work on you, your beliefs about yourself, and your personal philosophy, who you are and who you are worthy of becoming. You can only achieve the health you think you are worthy of.